Hello everyone. Welcome back to our 30-day English challenge. Today's lesson is about greetings. Greetings are the first words we use when we meet someone. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to say hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you, and goodbye with confidence. Let's begin. Part 1, saying hello. The most common greeting in English is hello. Repeat after me. Hello. Again. Hello. You can also say hi. Hey. Informal, for friends. Hi there. Examples. Hello, I'm Emma. Hi, my name is Alex. Hello. Nice to meet you. Practice with me. Hello. Hi. Hello. My name is John. Now it's your turn. Say your name after hello. Excellent. Part 2, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. English greetings change depending on the time of day. Good morning. Use good morning from early morning until around noon. Example. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Repeat. Good morning. Good afternoon. Use good afternoon after 12 o'clock until evening. Example. Good afternoon, Mr. Smith. Repeat. Good afternoon. Good evening. Use good evening when you meet someone in the evening. Example. Good evening. Repeat. Good evening. Remember. Morning rightward arrow good morning. Afternoon rightward arrow good afternoon. Evening rightward arrow good evening. Part 3, asking how are you? After saying hello, English speakers often ask, how are you? Repeat. How are you? Here are some common answers. I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. I'm great. I'm okay. Not bad. Let's practice. Question. How are you? Answer. I'm fine, thank you. Again. How are you? I'm great. One more time. How are you? I'm okay. Excellent. Part 4, saying goodbye. When you leave someone, you can say goodbye. Bye. See you later. See you tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice day. Repeat after me. Goodbye. Bye. See you later. Take care. Have a nice day. Part 5, practice conversation. Listen first. Emma. Good morning. Jack. Good morning. Emma. How are you? Jack. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Emma. I'm great, thanks. Jack. Goodbye. Emma. Bye. Have a nice day. Now repeat the conversation with me. Review. Today you learned hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm great. Goodbye. Bye. See you later. Take care. Have a nice day. Great job. Practice these greetings every day. Try using them with your friends, family, or even in front of a mirror. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel.